Isn't it time that you took some time off from your busy life to get away with friends and family? Sundance Vacations offers destinations that are perfect for a winter getaway. Let's see what these two travelers did on their recent trip. Jeff and Laura W. from Elizabethtown, Pennsylvania visited one of our properties in Park City, Utah to experience some of the best skiing in the world. The indoor parking at our resort protected their car from the snow, and they had a wonderful time snow tubing, bobsledding, and snowmobiling during their stay. They loved how their Sundance Vacations destination was only 45 minutes from the airport. If Park City, Utah sounds like the kind of vacation you've been looking for, give Sundance Vacations a call at 1-800-355-4300 for more details. Interested in learning more about some other exciting destinations you could visit this winter? Check the description below to find a link to some of our best properties for enjoying the snow. As always, tell us more about where you'd like to go in the comments below and subscribe to our channel for more information on our properties.